Look at this sentence. Runs to the park. Is this sentence correct? Who runs to the park? We do not know. Something is missing. Welcome to learning while listening anytime. Every English sentence needs two very important parts. If one part is missing, the sentence is wrong. Today, we will fix this problem. You will learn the secret to making perfect English sentences. Please watch until the end. You will speak much better English after this video. What are these two important parts? They are the subject and the verb. What is a subject? The subject is the star of the sentence. It is the person, place, or thing doing the action. For example, Tom. Tom is a person. Tom is a subject. What is a verb? The verb is the action. It shows what the subject does. For example, runs. Runs is an action. Runs is a verb. Let us put them together. Tom runs. Subject plus verb. Now the sentence is complete. There are two main types of subjects. First, we have singular subjects. Singular means only one. One person, one animal, or one thing. Examples are he, she, it, Sarah, the dog, the car. When the subject is singular, the action verb usually gets an S at the end. Here are some easy examples. Sarah reads. He eats. She sleeps. The dog barks. The car stops. Emma walks. Second, we have plural subjects. Plural means more than one. Examples are we, they, the students, Tom and Sarah. Also, we put the words I and you in this group for grammar rules. When the subject is plural, or I, or you, the action verb does not get an S. Here are some easy examples. We read. They eat. The students sleep. Tom and Sarah walk. I run. You listen. Just remember, one person needs an S on the verb. More than one person means no S on the verb. You are doing great listening to learning while listening anytime. Let us look at 10 real sentences. I will read the sentence. You tell me the subject and the verb. Sentence 1. David drinks water. What is the subject? What is the verb? Answer: David is the subject. Drinks is the verb. Sentence 2. The birds fly. Can you find them? Answer: the birds is the subject. Fly is the verb. Sentence 3. Emma paints a picture. What are they? Answer: Emma is the subject. Paints is the verb. Sentence 4. We play football. Which word is the subject? Which word is the verb? Answer: we is the subject. Play is the verb. Sentence 5. The teacher speaks. Can you find them? Answer: the teacher is the subject. Speaks is the verb. Sentence 6. You watch a video. What is the subject? What is the verb? Answer: you is the subject. Watch is the verb. Sentence 7. The cat jumps. Can you find them? Answer: the cat is the subject. Jumps is the verb. Sentence 8. Tom and Sarah cook. What are they? Answer: Tom and Sarah is the subject. Cook is the verb. Sentence 9. The doctor helps. Which is the subject? Which is the verb? Answer: the doctor is the subject. Helps is the verb. Sentence 10. I learn English. Can you find them? Answer: I is the subject. Learn is the verb. Now it is time for listening practice. Listen to this conversation between Sarah and Tom. Try to hear the subjects and the verbs. Hello, Tom. Hello, Sarah. You look happy. Yes, I like the park. I walk here every day. The park is nice. The birds sing beautifully. They make sweet sounds. Look over there. The dog runs fast. It catches the ball. Yes, and the children play. We need more parks. I agree. Let us sit down. Now, let me ask you some questions about the story. Question 1. Which plural subject and verb did you hear about the birds? Answer: the birds sing. Question 2. Which singular subject and verb did you hear about the dog? Answer: the dog runs. Question 3. Which plural subject and verb did you hear about the children? Answer: the children play. A great job listening. Let us look at 5 common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Incorrect. She go to the market. Correct. She goes to the market. Why? She is a singular subject. The verb needs an es or s. Mistake number 2. Incorrect. They plays in the garden. Correct. They play in the garden. Why? They is a plural subject. The verb does not need an s. Mistake number 3. Incorrect. Is a big house. Correct. It is a big house. Why? Every sentence needs a subject. We must use the word it. Mistake number 4. Incorrect. The boy read a book. Correct. The boy reads a book. Why? The boy is only one person. The verb needs an s. Mistake number 5. Incorrect. Sarah and Tom likes apples. Correct. Sarah and Tom like apples. Why? Sarah and Tom are 2 people. The subject is plural. The verb does not get an s. Now it is time for a quick practice. Fill in the blank with the correct verb. Question 1. He blank an apple, eat or eats. Pause the video if you need more time. Answer: he eats an apple. Question 2. We blank to music. Listen or listens. Pause the video. Answer: we listen to music. Question 3. The cat blank on the bed, sleep or sleeps. Pause the video. Answer: the cat sleeps on the bed. Question 4. I blank my car, wash or washes. Pause the video. Answer: I wash my car. Question 5. The students blank a book, read or reads. Pause the video. Answer: the students read a book. It is time for a quiz with learning while listening anytime. I will read the question and 3 answers. Choose A, B, or C. Question 1. Choose the correct sentence. A. The boy run. B. The boy runs. C. Boy run. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. The boy runs. The boy is singular, so the verb needs an S. Question 2. What is missing? Blank drives a car. A. Sarah. B. They. C. We. Pause to think. The correct answer is A. Sarah. The verb drives has an S. We need a singular subject like Sarah. Question 3. Find the subject in this sentence. The dog barks loudly. A. Barks. B. Loudly. C. The dog. Pause to think. The correct answer is C. The dog. The dog is the animal doing the action. Question 4. Find the verb in this sentence. Emma sings a song. A. Emma. B. Sings. C. Song. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. Sings. Sings is the action Emma is doing. Question 5. Choose the correct sentence. A. They walk to school. B. They walks to school. C. They to school walk. Pause to think. The correct answer is A. They walk to school. They is plural. The verb does not need an S. Question 6. Which sentence has no subject? A. Tom laughs. B. Cooks the food. C. She smiles. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. Cooks the food. There is no person or thing doing the action. Question 7. What is missing? The doctor blank the patient. A. Help. B. Helps. C. Helping. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. Helps. The doctor is singular, so the verb needs an S. Question 8. Choose the correct sentence. A. I likes apples. B. I like apples. C. I to like apples. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. I like apples. I is a special subject. The verb does not take an S. Question 9. Find the verb in this sentence. We clean the house. A. We. B. Clean. C. House. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. Clean. Clean is the action. Question 10. Which subject matches the verb, blank fly in the sky? A. The bird. B. The airplane. C. The birds. Pause to think. The correct answer is C. The birds. The verb fly has no S. We need a plural subject like the birds. Let us do a quick summary. Every complete English sentence needs a subject and a verb. The subject is the person, place, or thing. The verb is the action. If the subject is singular, add an S to the verb. If the subject is plural, do not add an S to the verb. It is that easy. Now it is time for your homework. Write 3 sentences in the comments below. Make sure every sentence has a subject and a verb. Use the words Tom, Sarah, and house. I will read your comments and check your English. Did you enjoy this lesson? Please like this video. Subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment with your homework. Share this video with a friend who is learning English. Thank you for watching Learning while listening anytime. In our next lesson, we will learn about adjectives. Keep learning. Keep listening. Keep growing your English with learning while listening anytime.